how to recover archived messages in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to recover archived messages in Facebook Messenger. And then let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Messenger app, and then let me start by archiving a message first. So, to archive it, you'll need to swipe the conversation to the left, and you will see the archive option. Tap on it. So now your message has been archived. Now to see it, you need to go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you'll find the archive option. Tap on it. There you go. Here you can find your archived conversation. So now to recover it, you just have to long press on it and then hit unarchive and go to chats again, and there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.